In this video, I will show you how to know your level in Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So in order to do this, of course, the first thing you're going to want to do is open up Monopoly Go on your device. So your level is actually your net worth. So it's similar, but it's not quite the same thing. Now to go ahead and see your net worth, what you're going to want to do is come up to the top right hand corner and press onto the three lines to open up the menu. At the very top, you're going to see your profile picture and username, and this number here is your actual net worth or your level. So as you progress through the game and upgrade your net worth, you're going to be able to do things like unlock stickers and gain more Monopoly money when other players pay you rent, and there's a ton of other perks you unlock as you progress through the game and upgrade your net worth. So that's basically how to go ahead and know your level. So your actual level is actually your net worth. It's not like a level, but your level is basically your net worth, as you can see up here. You can also see this as well in the top left hand corner of the screen. And as you progress through the game and upgrade your properties, you're going to go ahead and upgrade your net worth and in turn your level and unlock more perks for the game. So with that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if this did help you out, I'd really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.